Hi everyone, welcome back to QBO Tips. I have talked before about the banking center in QuickBooks Online and how it can really lead to some amazing efficiencies. Part of what helps that is it pulls your transactions directly from the bank or the credit card company. But what if you can't connect your bank account or your credit card account to QuickBooks? Or what if the feed is broken or down for whatever reason? Now what do you do? Well, good news, because there is a workaround for that, and it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is upload the transactions. If you log into your bank or your credit card account, you can usually export transactions. I would recommend doing this on a regular interval, something like weekly or monthly. This way you get into a routine and you know what the cutoff dates are, and this will reduce the chance that you're going to upload duplicate transactions. Nobody wants duplicate transactions. Normally, I'd walk you through a demo at this point, but I don't have a demo account for a bank account, and I don't have a demo account for a credit card account. Plus, QuickBooks won't actually let me go through the file upload process on the test company. But I will do my best to walk you through the process here. So there's a number of file types that will work in order to upload to QBO. The best one to use, and the one I would recommend, is if your bank or credit card has a QBO or QuickBooks file type. It's going to be a .qbo at the end of the file name. That would be the one I would recommend. The other file types will work, but you have to map those manually in QuickBooks during the importing process. In other words, .qbo, you upload it, it goes where it's supposed to in QuickBooks. With the other file types, you have to tell QuickBooks how to read the file. Anyway, once you have your transaction file, you can go to the banking center in QuickBooks, and if you go to the top right portion of the screen, you will see where it says update. Now you don't want to click update, you want to click that little upside down triangle that's right next to update. That will bring you to more options. One of them will be file upload. So you click that, a new screen comes down, and now you get to browse and find that file that you downloaded from your bank or your credit card. Now you click next and you go to the next screen and you get to tell QuickBooks, these transactions are going to this account in QuickBooks. Pretty simple. If you're using one of those .qbo files, then you're done. You click next, it does its thing, it says they're ready to go, you click OK, and you're done. If you're not using one of those QuickBooks file types, the next screen will have you tell QuickBooks how to read the file. This matches to the transaction date. This matches to the vendor. This matches to the amount. A little bit extra work. And don't worry if you don't get it right. You can always select them all, exclude them, and re-import. I've done it multiple occasions, so it's not a huge deal. At any rate, once you're done with the file upload process, it's actually pretty quick, more words than it is actually doing things. You look at your bank feed and it looks just like any other bank feed that pulls directly from the bank. It works exactly the same way, and you're all good to go. I hope that helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.